As we all know by now, flan, that delicious dessert, is one of the best things you can offer your guests when you're entertaining. Flan, it's so rich and creamy and decadent. It's awesome. Just the ultimate decadent dessert. Let me share a secret with you. I have the only recipe that you'll ever need for flan. And I'm going to share that recipe with you right now. Let's go to the ingredients and make a decadent flan. And here are the few simple ingredients we need to make that delectable flan. First of all, we have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of water. This is for the caramel. We're going to make the caramel with this. And after the caramel, we'll start putting our other ingredients together. We have 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to do a splash of almond essence, or you can use vanilla. And I have 6 eggs in here. I'm going to use 4 whole eggs and 2 yolks. Okay, so those are the ingredients we're going to use for this flan. We need a bowl and a whisk, and we're going to whisk it gently until it all comes together. And then once it comes together, we're going to strain that just to get any particles out of it. And so we'll strain it before we put it into our ramekins. Okay, and also once we're going to cook this at 350. The oven is already preset to 350, and we're going to fill this up halfway with some water. And we're going to cook it in a water bath for 1 hour. So let's go and start to make our caramel. Into a wonderful, your favorite non-stick pan, you'll add 1 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water, and we let this come to a simmer and start to melt, and let that sugar do its thing. Once our sugar starts to simmer, just continue stirring until it starts to change color and become a lovely brown caramel. This is going to take a few minutes, so I'll be back when it starts to change. And here we go, it's starting to change color to become that wonderful caramel that we want. So lovely golden caramel. It's going to continue cooking, so just pull it off from the fire. Slow it down a little. See, it's nice and dark. We pour it into our ramekins, just enough to cover the bottom. Just enough to cover the bottom. The ramekins are ready. And we'll move to the other stuff. Get the other ingredients together. So we'll start by adding our 4 eggs and 2 yolks. 4 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Put that in there. Crush those up. One can of evaporated milk. Mix that in. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Get it all out. I'm using almond essence. I make a good tablespoon in there, and we'll gently whisk this. We'll whisk it because we don't want to add too much air into it. We'll gently whisk this until it comes together. Once it comes together, we're going to strain it to get all of any particles out of it. We just need to get the condensed milk all incorporated into the custard. We'll now strain it. See if there are any hidden particles in there. Okay, see the ones that didn't dissolve and go through are going to come through here. So leave those in the strainer, and that's it. So now we have a very smooth custard, and we'll pour this in our ramekins. Our prepared ramekins, and that the caramel is set. The caramel is set, lovely. We just pour this in. Exactamente. So what we'll do now, we're going to cover each one of them with foil, a foil cover, but I'm going to just let them sit for a little bit, so that if there's any air bubbles in the air to come up, and let those air bubbles come up, and then I'm going to cover them with some foil paper. Now that we have covered the ramekins, and the oven is ready at 350, we're going to pour the water into the pan. I have some boiling water, really hot water, halfway up the ramekins. Halfway up on the ramekins. Yeah, that's right about there. And then we put them in the oven. They'll bake at 350 for 1 hour. See you in an hour. The perfect flan. Awesome. So, it's always a toss-up. Do you eat flan with a fork or a spoon? Hey, just whatever you desire. Oh, geez. This is fantastic. This is heavenly. You got to try this. Hold on to this recipe, and you'll never go wrong making a flan. This is awesome. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip. Bon appetit.